What is magnet? What do you mean by natural and artificial magnet? What are the molecular magnets? What is molecular theory of magnetism? Draw a diagram to show molecular magnets and magnetic substance. Two poles of a magnet are of equal strength. Why? What do you understand by magnetization and demagnetization? List out the process of magnetization. How can a magnet be demagnetized? A magnet gets demagnetized when it is heated or hammered. Explain this statement on the basis of molecular theory of magnetism. How does a magnet get its magnetic property? Though an iron is made up of molecular magnets, it does not have magnetic property. Why? Why has magnet more magnetic force at its poles than at its middle portion? A magnetic substance does not show magnetic properties. Why? How is the state of molecular magnets or magnetic substance laid? What is magnetic induction? Why do the poles of magnet, when broken down into pieces, not get separated from each other? How can we cure the magnet? Distinguish between magnet and magnetic substance. What is electricity? Mention its types. What are static electricity and current electricity? Write with example. How does a comb rubbed with hair attached pieces of paper? Explain it. How are charges produced? Why do we hear a crackling tick-tick sound with sparks when we take off nylon or woolen clothes in a dark room? What are sources of electricity? What is cell or what is electric cell? What do you mean by simple cell or voltaic cell? Draw a well-labeled diagram or simple cell. What are electrodes? What are an electrolyte? What are anode and cathode? Simple cell is not used to produce current for a long time. Why? What are the two defects of simple cell? What is polarization? How do you remove this defect? What is local action? How do you remove this defect? What is the effect of local action in simple cell? What is dry cell? Draw a well-labeled diagram of dry cell. Write two differences between simple cell and dry cell. Dry cell is more useful than simple cell in our daily life. Write with reasons. Why is polarization not occurred in dry cell? What is the role of MnO2 in dry cell? Write some uses of cells. What are the advantages of dry cell over simple cell? What is domestic circuit? Write the precautions that should be followed during house wiring system. What is earthing? Why is earthing necessary? What type of combination of loads is used in house wiring system and why? What are meant by electrical devices? Write some examples of electrical devices. What is the full form of CFL and LED? What is electric lamp? Mention its types. What is an electrical bell? What is fuse? Write any two characteristics of fuse. How does fuse save the circuit? What is one disadvantage of fuse? What is the full form of MCB? What is MCB? The use of MCB is better than fuse. Why? Distinguish between MCB and fuse. Write the meaning of color codes in wire.